Get ready for a whirlwind tour of the UK's most unique festivals. Let's dive into 5 of the wildest and most unforgettable events you can experience. 1. Cheese rolling at Cooper's Hill. First up, brace yourself for the cheese rolling at Cooper's Hill in Gloucestershire. Picture this: daring competitors hurtling down a steep hill after a giant wheel of cheese. It's fast, it's frantic, and it's one of the quirkiest races you'll ever see too. Up Helly Aa next. We're off to Shetland for Up Helly Aa, the UK's ultimate Viking festival. Imagine a blazing torchlit parade and the fiery spectacle of a Viking longship being set ablaze. It's a spectacular celebration of Norse history and community spirit that you won't want to miss. 3. World Bogs Snorkeling Championships in Wales. It's time to get muddy at the World Bogs Snorkeling Championships. Competitors trade clear waters for a grimy bog, racing through with snorkels and flippers. It's an exhilarating and downright messy challenge that's as hilarious as it is unique. 4. The Tar Barrels of Ottery St. Mary. For a fiery tradition, head to Devon for the Tar Barrels of Ottery St. Mary. Watch as locals carry flaming barrels through the streets in a centuries-old ritual. It's intense, it's thrilling, and it's a sight to behold. 5. Edinburgh Fringe Festival. Finally, experience the Edinburgh Fringe Festival, the world's largest arts festival. For 3 weeks each August, the city transforms into a vibrant stage with thousands of performances. Which of these incredible festivals would you dive into first? Let us know in the comments below. And subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures.